All right, let's see. I wanted to take a look at the Firefox source code. I guess we'll browse ahead. I assume this is the main. Is this on GitHub? I don't know. So I'm curious. First of all, let's get a lay of the land. Um, Extensions, Chrome. Can I search for things? How about reader view? Oh, now. Okay, so this is searching the mercurial. Um, this is searching the change sets, I guess. That's not what I want. So you can see Firefox, yeah. Source tree documentation. Hmm. Feature gates, search service. I don't know what Nimbus is. Message system schemas, picture in picture. This is under, why is picture in picture under toolkit? So graphics, rendering overview. I mean, this is interesting, but I kind of want the source code. Does this link to the source code? View page source. Hmm. Okay, so I can search commits, but I want just the code base. I just want the code base. I thought I was able to search this before. Source code directory search, maybe. There we go. Searchfox. What even is this? Let's see. Mozilla Central Search. I'm curious what program this is. Or maybe it'll tell me. Search. So is Searchfox their own thing? Yeah, Moz Search. The backend for Searchfox code indexing. It runs inside AWS, but you can develop Searchfox locally using Vagrant. Okay. This is mildly interesting. I wonder why they wrote their own code search thing. Is there a history? I'm just curious whether this is based on something else or whether this is like ancient from the time when Firefox started. How can I see the oldest commit without checking this out? 1 month. Okay. Not the commit. No releases. Do they have tags? Oops. No tags. We've got a few branches. So about 1,400 commits. Older. I can't just go to the end. Here, all right. Well, I guess that's not. I'm not going to dig into that further. Okay, so this is Searchfox. Wait, so let's go back to Searchfox. Searchfox.org. So I want to know. Okay, so this lets me search, but it doesn't let me browse. Okay, got it. And then the thing that looks like Git web or whatever is or whatever this HG thing is. Hey, what's this? Oh, okay. I can browse. All right, network with like what I guess is a German spelling. And Python parser, remote parser. So HTML parser, okay. That I figured. I was just curious whether there is something else. URL loader. Tools view widget. XPCOM. And XPFE. What are those? Fshell. Parser. Oh, I already looked at that. XPCOM. And all the search results that come up are Firefox. I wonder if this is a Firefox specific thing. Cross-platform component module from Mozilla. Okay. What about XPFE? Mozilla Application Framework. Okay. Cool. Prefetch, preload, xhandler. This is the URL loader. Okay. DevTools, docs, docshell, DOM. Editor. What's the editor? Where's the Wait, what? Oh, that's reopening old tab. Okay, so Mozilla what's it called? Codebase. Oh, yeah, something like that. Directory, source code directory. Okay, so DOM, IDL definitions, implementation, dog shell. The main object managing things related to a document window. Methods for loading URIs, managing URI content listeners, etc. Okay. Capability-based web page security management, C++ interfaces, and code for determining the capabilities of content based on the security settings of certificates. Okay. Browser themes build. So browser contains the front end, which is at one point at least written in XUL, but I thought that they had taken XUL out of Firefox. Accessibility. Let's take a look at accessibility. That's their developer documentation. So what's in Chrome? Chrome registry. See here, used with toolkit. These were originally part of RDF Chrome. Page not found. Okay, this must be out of date. The new toolkit contains numerous front-end components shared between applications, as well as most of the XBL implemented parts of the XUL language. I don't know what XBL is, but that's okay. Graphics Gradle. Okay. So I'm curious where read your view is. So this is locale, something about locales. These appear to be display icons. Mac Touch Bar JSM. Okay. So reader view shows up in 19 lines across 9 files. This is only 9 files. This can't be what they actually called it. Reader mode. Reader mode. 55 files. That's more promising. Okay. Resource. Is this it? Reader mode.jsm? Components/reader. Do I get a readme? No. Components. Okay, so let's take a closer look at about reader. So what if I turn on reader mode here? Then I get type controls and close reader view. No, XP commutils. About reader equals function article promise. It would just be nice to know if I'm looking at the right thing. So we've got some messaging stuff. some event handling stuff. So Pocket. Do I see Pocket? Okay, so this is the I guess where the Pocket integration is. So this is promising because the reader seems related to Pocket. Request Pocket article refs. Minus button. Okay, so do we have a minus button here? I have close reader view. I have a some number of minutes. What if I look at the source code here? Okay, reader title. About reader.css. About reader pocket. This looks right. Where it actually is about reader? Use style sheet about reader. Toolkit about reader. Oh, okay. Here's the minus and stuff, I guess. Wait, what did I do? Plus button, minus button. Oh, these are the font size buttons. Okay. So this is promising. So, oh, what is moz.build? Okay. Jar manifests about reader in reader mode. Oh, what is readability? Do not modify this file directly. It's maintained in an external repo. Okay. Based on arc90's readability.js. Mozilla, oh, look, it's got its own repo. No. Okay. Let's see. Web-based products. But what does readability mean? So why is it an ability? Does this test whether you can invoke reader view or just okay? Let's see. To parse a document, let's create a new readability object from the DOM and then call parse. Here's an example. If you use readability in a web browser, you'll be likely to be able to use a document reference from elsewhere. For example, fetch the XML HTTP request. In Node.js, you can use an external DOM library. Debug, max elements to parse. Keep classes, whether to preserve all classes. Okay. This seems like the thing that actually computes the reader visualization of an article. Configurable options. Let's see. Positive. These are duplicated in readability readerable.js. Okay, so readerable. I see. I guess maybe readability is the code that computes the view of the document. Reader mode is maybe the more about the display of the document, and then I'm guessing maybe, and then readability, readerable is does the analysis of whether to enable the reader button. Essentially, it computes whether whether Firefox thinks that the reader mode can render a reader mode version of it. So negative, okay, so negative is add, hidden, banner, okay, footer. So I assume positive means keep it. Okay, maybe it's a candidate. Oh, okay. There's some interesting variable names, but I think this is unlikely candidates. So it must do some sort of weighting, right? Oh, there's like a threshold. Is that what it does? It has some sort of heuristic where these things are positive, these things are negative, these things are maybe. And then does it like update these thresholds? Does it update like some sort of estimate as it goes? Fix relative URLs, converts. Okay. Get article title. Try current title is the original title trimmed. I guess trimmed white space. I don't know so much of JavaScript. Okay. So if the result is not a string. Oh wait, if it's not equal to, oh yeah, if type of is not string. This is, I guess, some sort of reflection. Would this be easier in TypeScript? Well, probably not easier, but okay. So you have to check if it's a string. I don't know what else it could be. Then the current title is equal to the original title. If they had an element with ID title in their HTML. Get inner text. Get elements by tag. Okay. So I guess if it's not a string, then title, I guess, would refer to an element, and they're trying to maybe peek inside the element to get the actual title. Is that what's going on? Okay, so, and then there's some exception handling. Ignore exceptions, setting the title. Okay. And then had hierarchical separators. Yeah, this is a lot of work. I guess this is what it's like parsing HTML documents. I guess I'll stop there. And I'll come back at some point and take a further look at this.